Hello dear people! Today I will show you the process, the creation of one of my favorite foods of all time, sushi. Let's begin! In order to make our sushi, it is fundamental to have the following ingredients. Special sushi rice, fresh, cold and raw salmon, please do not cook it. Special sushi mat, nori seaweed, cucumber, creamy cheese, and finally, the magic soy sauce. The first step is to wash 1 cup of rice. It's obviously to wash we need water. The rice should be washed until the crystal clear water comes out. Now we have to let rest the rice by 20 minutes. Now we are going to cut the salmon. Don't throw away the skin. Fry it. Now it's time to cook the rice. So we have to put 1 cup of water. When the rice boils, cover it and cook it over low heat 12 minutes. Then let it sit for 20 minutes. Now we have to cut the cucumber. Now we have to make sushi seasoning. We need sushi vinegar, salt, and sugar. For the sushi seasoning, mix 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 for sugar, and a touch of salt. Now the rice is cooked, and we put it in a bowl. And also, we put the sushi seasoning. And we mix. Remember that sushi means rice and seasoning. Okay, my dear friends, the next step is make the rolls. We put our nori seaweed in our sushi mat. Remember, the bright side down. We put our hands in water to put the rice in the nori seaweed. Now, my dear friend, it's time to make the second step of the sushi. And we put the cucumber, the salmon, and the cheese, aligning it. Now it's time to roll it. Now it's time to cut the tube. We are going to make another roll with the rice out. We add season and turn it upside down. Remember the crispy salmon skin that we fried recently? We are going to add it to our sushi along with the other ingredients. we roll up again. Don't worry if the rolls aren't perfect. Keep practicing like me. Cooking this quarantine feels great. Goodbye.